Hello guys. Here we have the HP. It's not turning on. Okay, press the power button in the laptop. It's not turning on at all. Let's use the charger. Let's plug in the charger. Let's see what will happen when we plug in the charger. Okay, I have the charger here. We don't get a charging light at all. Hope you can see. Anyway, here's the problem. Hope you can see the charging port. It's broken. So let's go ahead and see if maybe this broken charging port is the one causing or preventing the whole machine from turning on. Okay, Okay, anyway, this is charging pin, the charging port, one with a faulty, it's broken inside. Okay, so I believe you see it's working, there's nothing wrong except with the charging faulty. So anyway, before I even go ahead and try maybe to buy, I don't think I have this, but let me check around and see if I do have the charger. Okay guys, I don't have the charging ports to test with, so what do we do? What do this, guys? I don't know what to do. If working or not, working or not. Let's measure how many volts do we have on the battery. What do we have? Turn your multimeter into 20 volts. Connect one probe to ground. Yeah, let's go ahead. Okay, there it is. The volts. Let's check here on the 0 volts. 0 volts. Okay, guys, we're getting 0 volts. The battery empty. Let me check if I do have a same matching battery. Okay, anyway, I don't have the exact matching battery. So in this case, what I will advise you before you buy a charging pin, confirm if the motherboard pin. Imagine you buy the charging pin, but only to find out that the board is. So how do you confirm? If the motherboard is working or it's completely dead? Check near the startup chip. Okay, we have checked near the startup chip. So now let's check the 3.3 near the power button. Anyway, I'm searching for a short because I know if the board is not working due to a dead pin, automatically it will kill the startup chip or it will kill the PCH. So there will be a short on the 3.3. So here there is no short, as you can see. All the pins from the power button are not shorted, they are all okay. Definitely this board is working 100%. I have confirmed. Let me repeat again to check. Before you buy the charging pin, you have to check the capacitors near the startup chip, because a mistake on the charging pin, it will damage the startup chip or it will damage the PCH on the CPU. So the 3.3 volts will be shorted, and I have just checked on the power button connector. That's where you'll find the 3.3 and there is no short. And again, if you're feeling confused with the power button, use the BIOS chip. The BIOS chip pin number 8 is 3.3 volts. Compare it with ground using the multimeter. If you are getting a good value, there's no short, it means go ahead and buy this charging pin. Okay, I know definitely this charging port, it's working 100%. There is no short. I mean, I know that this laptop, this motherboard, is working 100%. There is no short, because I have just checked now using it's called cold scanning. You know, when you are checking for shorts using the multimeter, called the cold scanning. So if you are having any broken charging pin, go ahead and replace it, but first do those steps I just showed you to confirm before you even buy a new charging port, only to find out that the charging port has killed the startup chip or it has damaged the port itself. So this is how you check. Anyway, I will continue this video next time when I buy a working charging port, but definitely this port is working, I know. Subscribe to my videos. I'll keep on posting more and more nice videos. Thank you so much.